Alright, so let's go to the index page .html. We have to make these classes now, and then we have to make these classes down here. These are going to be a lot similar to these up here. Alright, so let's work on those first. Footer left, footer right. Let's come over to make a class in CSS. And what we got going on here. Banner right, A visited, A hover. Oh, that's next. Those are for the pseudo classes to make the hyperlinks look like different colors. Let's see, let's see part 4. We have part 4 and the footer. Okay, let's go down to part 4. Footer left, footer right. We've already made the divs. Let's make the classes, and then we can put more information inside the div. Banner, footer left and footer right. Okay, so let's go to CSS, style sheets. Got a footer on the bottom. I can copy this footer, paste it, and we'll do footer underscore left, and copy that, paste it, and then say footer underscore right. Now we don't need all this coding here. We don't need a height. We don't need a background image. We need a background color so we can see what we're doing first. And then we're going to tell the width what to do. So we can get rid of this one too. And the background color for this one, I'll make that, what's a good color? Let's make it gray. And the other one's going to be red. Save it. And let's refresh our page. Alright, so the copyright is red, navigation is gray. Go to index.html, you'll see that the copyright and navigation, okay? If I had these close together like this, side by side, it would still look like they were stacked. Refresh. They're still stacked, so it doesn't matter where they are in the code. I could bring it down here if I wanted to. Save it, refresh. It's still in the same spot. Okay. Bring that back up again. Now let's go back to the CSS. We have to make this copyright stop like right here, and then this navigation, we want that to come up, float up to the right. And in order for it to float up to the right, we have to make this one float to the left. So let's go with navigation first. We'll put that in there. We'll do width. Oops. Let's say 400 pixels. And let's copy that. Let's paste that for background left. Save it. Refresh. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Let's do background left. Let's do 300 on that one. And then let's refresh. Okay, so this one's going to come up. Let's do float right, because this is our right footer. Save that, refresh. It's just going to go to the right. It's not going to come up yet. See how it went straight to the right and didn't come up yet? We got to make this one float left. There we go, float left, save it, refresh, bam, it worked. Okay, so now we want to take the home, reviews, trailers, contact, all that, and we want to put that in here where it says navigation. We'll do that later. And then here, copyright. What I like to do on websites is go to index.html. What I like to do is I like to put the copyright symbol. That would be ampersand, copy, semicolon, and then write 2015, and then maybe web development by you, and then you would put a anchor href equals some, this would be your http colon / www.your.com, and then you would put a target equals underscore blank for it to open up in a new window, and then you would close the A tag, save it, and refresh. Now we have the copyright 2015 with development by you. Click on that and it will go to your.com. And I don't know if your.com is a website or not. I just thought that was funny. I'm going to take the navigation here, just snag it and put that where it says navigation down here just for now. Refresh. There we go. We want to text align to the right so we can go to the CSS. And remember up here we did text align color white. Well, can we do color white? Let's see. No, we can't do color white because it's on a white background. So we're going to do color black. Let's copy that. And footer right, text align right, and we'll say for color, we'll say black for right now. Save it, and that color is going to stay black, but go to the right. Refresh, and let's get rid of the background color on that one, and the background color on this one. And it's Control S, save, refresh. There we go. I'm going to want to push these down here. So remember how we do that? Well, we could either do footer left and then put padding to push it down, or margin, but we'd have to do that on footer left and footer right. So go to the footer and we could put padding and do it for both, right? So padding, let's say 50 pixels. Let's see what happens. Save it. So these two should go straight down. There we go. Ooh, what happened when I did that? Whoa, wait a second, what's going on? Alright, so what I'm going to have to do is I have to put a background image is repeating, so I'm going to have to say background dash image background repeat, sorry. Remember we did that before? Repeat. I'm going to say no dash repeat. If I can spell properly. You got to spell right in order for this code to work. Refresh. Look at that. Oh, where's that red coming from? Let's see. Footer has a red color behind it, remember? Let's get rid of that red now. Save it. Refresh the page. Oh, where's that gray coming from now? Oh, that gray is coming from the container. The container has a color of CCCCC. Let's get rid of that. Save it. Refresh. There it goes. Okay, so now we have to bring the home up. Is the float working? Footer left, float left, background color, color black, float right. All right, so we put the padding in the footer at 50 pixels, but I didn't put it in the other three sides. So what happened was the 50 went all the way around inside here. Okay, so we have to say 50 pixels for the top, 0 pixels for the right, 0 pixels for the bottom, 0 pixels for the side left. Refresh. There we go. Now it's over to the left and that one's over to the right. They're working perfectly together. And now I need to put color white on those. So let's do color white. And let's copy that code and put it on footer left. Save. Refresh. Woohoo! Ooh, my hyperlink's not working. We'll fix that later. Let's come back to index.html. And now we have to do content left, content middle, content right. So let's go to our stylesheets.css. Content, let's copy that. Paste, paste. We're gonna do one more. Paste. Content underscore left. Content underscore middle. Content underscore right. Background color, let's get rid of the padding and the background image. We're just going to do background color for these to see where they are, like we usually do. We always start off with making colors in our divs so we know what we're doing. So let's do just regular red, gray, green. Save, refresh. Red, gray. Ooh, so what happened now? So all these things are happening. Trying to figure this out. Content left, content middle, content right. Let's make sure everything is spelled correctly. Oh, look at this. I forgot to put, or I'm missing a squiggly bracket. Details, people. Details. Save it. Refresh. Bam! That one little bracket. That's what happened right there. You see that? All right, it's over. That looks good. This is not looking good over here, but we'll make these divs just wide enough to come over to about this area right here. So let's go into content left, and we're going to say width. We're going to write, let's say 200 pixels. Let's copy that, paste it, refresh, save it, refresh. There we go. That's good. Now I'm going to float this one left. This one's going to, and now you can actually float these all left, and they'll all come up right next to each other. So I'm going to say float left, copy, and paste, and oops, paste. Save for the content left, content middle, content right, all floating left. Let's refresh. Looks awesome. Look at that. Now we need to push them away from each other. So what I can do is I can put a padding on the left of, or a margin on the left of the content middle, and a padding to the left of content right. So content left is fine. Content middle, I'm going to do margin, not padding. Let's say 20 pixels on the left side, right? So that would have to be the last number. So 0 pixels, 0 pixels, 0 pixels, 20. That would be the top, this would be the right, this is the bottom, and this would be the left. So let's copy that and put it to the content right, save it, refresh. That should push these two over to the right. Yay! Now I want more room for content middle. Let's say 350. Refresh. That's cool. I like that amount of space. Content left can go smaller. Let's say 150. And content right, let's say 150, just to see what that looks like. Let's refresh. Bam. Digging it. Alright, that's looking good. Let's take the colors away now. We don't need those colors anymore. Maybe we do later. Save it. Refresh. Our website's looking pretty good. Okay?